We have been expecting your response, but had nothing.
Apologies. I do not want to be seen around, so as not to harass suspicions. Well, I am impressed with your job. Thank you.
Anything for you, my dear. What next?
Just be on the low. When everything settles, I will tell you the next move.
Detective, I have told you the whole truth. I have nothing to do with his death.
You were the last person seen with him before he died. Ultimately, that makes you the prime suspect. Don't you know that? You know? Hold on just a minute.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this.
What you have to say?
Oh boy, yeah, come on.
You want to scratch my car? You not?
What's it be your own now? Have you not seen my keke spoil for here?
Are you crazy? Are you shouting at me?
What
are you talking to me? Do you know the dust of who I am? Are you crazy?
Tule Joe! Tule Jare!
What do you have to say?
Okay. I know him. I recognized him.
Good.
But this happened last year.
I know.
It means nothing. I mean, you can't possibly hold this against me. I compensated this guy very well.
It means something. This means that you can do anything. See, let me tell you something. I can help you out. It's better you admit to this crime and get a very, very small sentence.
I'm innocent! I am innocent. I did not do it. I'm not a murderer. I'm not a killer. I loved Chike. I couldn't have possibly hurt him. I mean, officer, please listen to me. I'm innocent. I'm telling you the truth. Even my grandmother saw him the day he walked me home. I am innocent.
Lie! Shut up! You are getting your grandmother involved just to support your alibi, right? If you don't know, you better know. That young man was his mother's only son. And you killed him!
I did not kill him.
Stop!
God, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. God knows I'm innocent.
Thank you.
Mama, please stop doing this to yourself. Mama, Chikere is gone and no amount of tears will bring him back.
You sound as if it's easy. Oh. You don't know the pains I passed through in raising him. Do you know, life without him will be very difficult for me.
Mama, I know that. But Chikere would have loved to see us move on. And you know he's not always happy seeing you like this. Please.
You don't know.
Please, Mama.
You don't know the pains I'm passing through. Oh, Chibo. Oh, fire me, baby. Where are you, my only eye?
Mama, it's okay. Let's go inside and sleep. I am here for you, Mama, please. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and sleep. It's okay.
Oh, Chikere.
It's okay.
Oh, Mama,
it's okay. It's okay. Let's go inside and sleep.
Oh.
It's okay.
Obonye kamujuke ya Bikola pumo Ojuwa kukomada Oli sabatala mosenye maka Eme choromonye
Are you still worried over Chikere's death? See, sister, you know, it is good we cry and mourn. But we have to cry and mourn like people with faith. Come on. Chikere is gone.
It still looks to me like a dream. Waiting for me to wake up. I cannot believe Chikere is dead. Why? He can't even hurt a fly.
Sister, everybody hurts fly now. Eh? See, sister, I'm not trying. I'm just trying to be funny, okay? I'm not trying to make you feel bad more, okay? But Chikere is gone. But see,
his mother is so heartbroken. Obina, he's an only son of Mbolungwa.
I understand. God will console her. In fact, his death got me thinking. And sister, I've decided to leave this village. Yes.
How?
Yes, sister. I have to leave this village. Okay, sister, come to think of this. If I should remain in this village, what if I remain in this village and something bad happens to me and I have not achieved anything, just like Chikere? Isn't this, sister? I have to leave. Seriously, I have to leave. Time to go and help my life.
It will not work out. It will not work. I support you. It won't work.
It's okay, yes. It's okay.
It will never happen.
No, please. It's okay. We are not here to argue like market women. We are here to discuss about the recent events in the community. The death of Chikere. Chief Odogu, your daughter Mary committed a sacrilege. And above all, she desecrated the land. And she must go on exile.
Umunam, I stand on the existing protocol. My daughter Mary will not go on any exile until she is convicted by the court of law. You all know that she is innocent. And she is equally your daughter. Let us join hands and vindicate her. The killer of that young man must be brought to book, I assure you.
Thank you. I support you.
Well, we will not take any resolution on this matter. Since the police are still investigating, let us leave it till another day.
That is better. It is better like that. It is better like that.
Officer, how else do I explain this to you? We are fishermen, we only meet here at the river bank.
Okay. So, what do you have to say about his relationship with Mary?
Mary is a lady that is always around him. But from the last time I saw her, she looks like someone that is jealous and protective. You know, he met Nneka first, before Mary.
Who is Nneka?
Nneka is his first girlfriend. As a matter of fact, she has been in tears since the death of Chikere filtered into town. Officer, you people should deal with Mary. She should not go scot-free. She can't take laws into her hands because her father is rich.
Well, it's okay, I've heard you. I think that will be all for now. Thank you for your time anyway.
Thank you, officer.
But if I still need you, I will still come to you.
It's okay.
Thank you. All right.
Onye ka mejọrọ biko gwanume emejọrọ m onye emejọrọ m onye.
Sorry. Are you Okombo?
Very, very well. Person not talking about me. See, okay? Now maybe Okombo. Okay. Anywhere for this village, anywhere where ask of me. Ask them Okombo, that fat boy. Now me. Anything when be say they do for this village, good. Now me. Bad now me. Ask of me. So what you want my run for?
So I am Detective Okoro. My colleague, Ijoma.
I'm not Okombo.
What? What are you saying? They just said that you were Okombo. Why are you saying that Okombo?
No, slip of nose.
No, you don't have any problem. Don't worry.
No, not me. No, I'm not Okombo. I know the family people of Okombo.
Come on, relax. Relax. Come on, relax, chill. We are your friend.
Hey, you can be my friend.
Police is your friend. No, come on.
I'm not Okombo. I am Oko. Boy, is my neighbor.
You are what?
Okom.
What is Okom?
Bomb is
very good. You're Okombo here.
Don't worry, come. Hey, where are you going to?
Stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here.
Come on,
come here.
Stop here.
Ma'am, your granddaughter told us that you saw her and the deceased return home the day he disappeared.
What game is this officer playing? Okay, so you want an excuse to continue holding my granddaughter? Well, Chikere did not come back with her. I sent my granddaughter on an errand. She came back early. Do you understand?
Well, I understand. I think that will be all for now.
Emejọrọ m onye. Emejọrọ m onye. Emejọrọ m onye.
Wait, are you serious?
I'm very, very serious now. Does it look like I'm joking? If I'm joking, then it would have been a different thing altogether.
Wait. Are they after anyone that is close to Chikere? Because that's what it looks like to me.
Maybe Mary gave the police the names of Chikere's friends. That's why they're after us.
Are you scared? Or did you kill Chikere?
What did you take? Are you on cheap drugs? Who killed him? Like how? By who? Chikere is like a brother to me. What are you saying?
Then if your hands are clean, submit yourself to the police. Oh yes. If you're genuine, submit yourself to the police. So why are you running away?
Who are you? Huh? No, it's obvious I know my enemies.
Oh.
And you are one. I should submit myself to the... You're not doing well.
What is that?
That bush is shaking.
Hey, it's just a normal breeze now. It's just a breeze.
On a particular place.
There's nothing like particular there. It's just a breeze.
I don't like breeze.
Hey, where are you running to? Hold on, we are not. Where are you running to, Okombo? Should I join him or?
So, why don't you believe her? Makes no sense. It's obvious.
See, when Mary was asked, she said her grandmother saw her and the deceased come back. And when her grandmother was asked, she said she sent her on an errand. Contradiction. I mean, it's contradicting. So I am suspecting that the old woman wants us to believe that our child is innocent. That's it.
But unfortunately, putting her in a tight position, don't you think that both of them might be lying?
Exactly my thoughts. See, I am yet to find out why she keeps on lying.
I think there's one way to find out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So, how are you?
I'm fine. I just came to look around the river. We built so many memories around here. I can still hear his excited laugh anytime we are here to play. I miss Chikere so much. I missed him. Just when I thought...
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Okay. He won't like to see tears in your eyes. He won't be happy where he is, knowing that you're crying. Be strong. If not for anything, for him. Come on, be strong, please. It's okay. Stop crying. Okay? So, let's take a walk. Alright? It's okay. Mama, talk to me. I don't know why you've suddenly gone cold. I told you Mary will come back, and I promise.
I don't know why you don't heed my advice. If you had listened to me, we wouldn't have been in this problem now. Huh?
Mama, you're not being fair to me. I'm equally worried as you are. I don't know why you're rubbing guilt all over my face. And it's not the best.
I'm sorry.
Let me go back to the city.
Go well.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this.
I guess I have to stop here. And I know you're better now, right?
Thank you so much. I'm much better now. At least you made me forget all my worries. Thank you.
You're welcome. beautiful compound. Yeah.
What did you just do?
Isn't this what you've always wanted? Eh? Now that Chike is out of the way, Kaibiendo will let us use this opportunity and enjoy ourselves.
Did you do it?
Do what?
Forget it.
That's okay, so tell me, when next am I going to see your beautiful face again?
In your dreams.
Neka!
I don't want to see your face in this compound again. Don't even come near me.
So live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is
All this doesn't make sense. Chikere almost married me if that girl hasn't arrived to deceive him. But Ude, why did he make such a move on me?
Something, please. Chikere! 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 Where's Chikere? What did you do to Chikere?
What did I do here, Mary?
Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stay away from me!
Someone is there to see you. Come on.
Richard! How have you been?
You came.
Yes, I came. Your mother told me everything that's happened. That is why I'm here. But how come they've not assigned a lawyer to you? It is very wrong for you to still be here.
They said they will keep me here until the investigation is completed. But honestly, Richard, I did not do it.
I know.
I did not kill anybody.
I know you didn't do it. But you're father is very connected. He's influential. How come he has not made calls or pulled some strings? Huh?
Richard, we are talking about a murder case here. It's only the court that can decide my freedom.
Don't worry. That is why I'm here. We'll do everything possible to bring you out.
I trust you. I missed you, Richie.
I miss you too. I miss you.
Honestly speaking, Richard, I'm ashamed of what my daughter did.
Sir, I understand. But at the same time, she has not been proven guilty. Moreover, sir, she's your daughter, no matter what she's done.
So all she needs now is a good lawyer. Not just a lawyer, good one, a son, senior advocate of Nigeria. One who is influential, who is connected, who can manipulate things, who can talk to the judge and they will discharge an acquittal.
You are right, Richard. You see, I have been reluctant over the whole issue. Notwithstanding, if you have an idea of how we can make this process work, always reach me.
Alright, sir. I'll make some calls, sir. I'll make some calls.
That's
what I can. I'll get back to you, sir.
That's okay.
Alright.
That's okay.
Thank you very much.
So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious.
Come. Hey! My mom before the war. How far now?
Very, very far. 200 miles away.
Are you going out?
No, I'm coming back. Welcome to my palace. Please, what can I offer you?
Easy now. Okombo, I was actually coming to the house to see you.
Obviously, I know. Nah, I know. What is it that you want to tell me that I don't know? Do you know you're a very bad person? In fact, you are badder than the baddest. You could not even allow your friend, your own friend, to rest in the grave. At least get an apartment. Piam! All you could do is to take over his woman. How you need and Joe?
Kumbo, why this attack on me now? Why?
Why would I attack you? Why? Just give me one reason why I will not attack you. But no problem. It's taken. But please, it's none of my business. The day you will die, nobody will cry for you. Come on.
I said you're not getting away from me this time. Where do you think you're going? You're not going. I said you're not moving it. You are not moving it.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to get my daughter out of that cell. I warned you in the first place not to send her to the village. She would have served her punishment right here in the city. Now see where your decision has gotten us.
You want to tell me how to discipline my daughter? In my house? You are ridiculous.
No, you are. And selfish too. Now let me tell you. I am giving you 3 days to bring my daughter back to this house. 3 days to bring my daughter without any scratch. Else, this house will not contain both of us. Nonsense.
Good afternoon, young ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Good day, sir.
We are from the first headquarters. Detective Okoro is a German. No, it's okay. We were told that one Nkechi Olise used to come around here. Is that you?
Me? What did I do? What did I do?
I'm afraid, Miss Nkechi, you have to come with us to the station for the murder of one Chikere.
But you people already have the suspect in your custody already.
No, come on. We don't want to create a scene here. See, young lady, you had him.
Sir,
You have to come to the station with us.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do
Hey,
anything.
let me tell. No. Let me tell you something. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Is that okay? Now, get up.
Young lady, I don't want to use force on you. Are you hearing me? I don't want to use force on you. Now move it.
Let's go.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this. Obonye kamu mejoro. Ewa chuku batara mosele maka.
Are you see?
Officer, I have told you everything you need to know. Yes, I have.
You killed him, right? You killed him.
Officer,
Let me tell you, you are going to rot in jail.
Officer, you promised to let me go if I tell you everything. Officer, it was Nkechi. It was Nkechi that...
Hey! I am not done with you yet. Are you ready to speak now?
Yes.
Good. Speak.
I will say everything.
Good. What I want to hear is the truth. The whole truth. And nothing but the truth. But if you say anything on the contrary, we will start the drill all over again. I know how it is. No, it's okay. Just speak the truth. Go ahead.
I'll say the truth. I'll say everything.
Good. Shoot it now. Let me hear you.
She carries every woman's dream. Handsome, kind, strong, and good looking.
what were you doing with him? Eh? And what were you doing with him? Have you lost your senses?
I was only trying to help you. I just to make you happy.
And who asked for your help? Who asked for your help? I only stepped out to ease myself. The next thing, you moved to dance with my man.
No, you're my friend. I can never try to take your man.
Liar. Listen and listen very good. I don't want to ever see you around Chikere again. He belongs to me and me alone. If you're looking for a man to dance with, go get yourself a man. I mean, how could I have forgotten that no man would want to have anything to do with a loser like you? Listen, I don't want to ever see you around him again. Did you understand me? Rubbish.
Her words struck me painfully. I wanted to prove her wrong, and then I began to devise a means of how to get Shikiri.
Who can understand? The heart is like a forest, many things live in it, the good and bad, love.
I thought you were done for the day.
Oh no, this is actually the best time to set trap for the fishes. Yes, I should have done this earlier, but Nneka asked me to do something for her, so I'm doing it now. And that reminds me, I've never seen you here to fetch water.
I fetch water wherever I choose.
Okay.
Come and help me with this.
Huh?
Just help me with this, please.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, thank you.
What did you just do?
What is it?
Oh, why did you do it?
Why are you acting as if you're not a man? Listen. I care about you so much. I have feelings for you.
What are you talking about? How can you have feelings for me? I belong to your friend. You know Nneka and I have something going, and she's your friend. And
I want us to be together.
We cannot be together. I'll tell Nneka the kind of friend you are. Stay away from me. Now I know why you came here to fetch water.
He bruised my ego. And worse, he threatened to report me to that Nneka. That was when I made this decision to do this to him. It's okay.
So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. Just be careful. Life is so mysterious. Be cautious of life. So mysterious.
You're a professional. Make him disappear.
Arabam, make you send your boys, meet a killer. And after killing him, they should bury him and leave no trace. You know? Clean him out like say nothing happened. You understand?
I beg, we don't talk too much for you. I don't already tell you my price. Give me part payments now. If my boys finish the job, you give me my balance.
This is 50,000 naira. When you're done with the job, you'll get your balance.
I know. We're going to the match, no worry. As for the job, I don't deliver finish. You hear?
My guy.
Come on, the go now.
My guy. But most step. You know.
I need you to do a clean job.
Babe, I beg, we don't talk too much. I don't finish, I'm already. You don't trust me, when make you come here. But one on the match, make people know come there.
One love, babe, most step. One love, man.
Is that? Okay, no problem. I'm not done with you though.
I should have known that you were the green snake in the green grass. How could you do a horrible thing like this?
It was the devil. I wanted to get back at you for saying that no man would ever want me.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean it. I said it out of anger.
Yes, but you said it anyway. All you've ever made me to feel is as if I can never measure up to your standard. Even though all I've ever done was worship the very ground that you step on. You never even...
Did you have to kill Chikere because of that? Your anger was on me and not him. You should have killed me instead of hurting him.
You hurt me first. You put me in this position that I'm in today. And I regret ever being friends with you. Don't even know. Forgive me the more.
Hey. You cannot go. And young lady, back to the cell. Stand up.
Jokes apart.
Hey.
Okay, wait, I'll be doing it for you now.
You're pampering me too much.
Wait on me. What is the whole idea? When you come inside, you lock my door.
Sit down.
No. I need to go home early. Very soon my mother will be looking out for me. So what do you say? I'm really sorry for saying all those things to you.
It's alright. The most important thing is that I am free. The worst thing that can happen to anybody is to be locked up, where you're never allowed to speak to anybody, do or eat whatever you wish to eat. My dear, freedom is power. Once you're free, you can explore. You can fly high to any length, to anywhere you want to.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad.
Thank you for coming.
No, thank you for listening to me.
You cannot define. It has many faces. You cannot define. Life is deeper with many angles. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea. Obi mada joka sochi.
Are you sure you will come with us for maybe 1 month?
Hey, 1 month, Ocha. Who will take care of my farm? Eh? Mary is now okay and free. Naban.
After all this problem, I promised myself I will never ever argue nor disrespect you again.
Oh my God, that's good.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Detective, how may I help you?
I'm afraid, sir, there has been a development in the murder case.
Detective, I don't understand. Mama, am I under arrest? I thought you set me free. I thought you said I should go. As you can see, I'm ready to go back to my life. What is going on? Mama, Dad, say something.
No, you have to calm down, understand? We're not here to arrest you.
Thank God.
Mrs. Camelia Odogu, you are under arrest.
My mother?
Officer, I hope you know what you're doing.
I'm afraid, madam, you have to come with us.
Hold on for a second, officer. Did someone pay you to harass my family? It was my daughter, now my mother.
Come on, Chief Odogu, nobody paid us anything. But there are things you do not know about. A lot of them.
Then it is your job. Tell me, is anything I'm missing?
Who is he?
Your grandmother here can tell better who he is.
Grandma, do you know him? I mean, what are they talking about?
Okay, to cut the long story short, this young man here was arrested alongside his gang members and they volunteered a confessional statement. They said that your mother, your grandmother, paid them to assassinate one Chikere.
Is this true?
Yes, that's true.
You will not understand.
You will not understand what I will do to you.
Eh? What can you do if Onuga cannot target? Onuga cannot target. Eh? If Onuga, I will twist it. I will twist it.
Mama Odogu, you will not understand what I will do.
What can you do? What? Hey, what do I hear? Yeah. If I get up from it, okay. No, don't hold me.
Mama Odogu,
shut. Nobody hold me. Let me give you hold me. Leave me. I want to beat this. Okay. Come, I will so do it because I allowed you to throw me on the ground. Okay? You will see. Let nobody hold me. Let nobody hold me. Okay?
No. It's okay.
Okay? Okay?
It's okay.
Okay?
It's okay now. It's okay.
I will show you. Let me give you a shot. Odogu bro guy name.
Madam, how are you?
I'm fine.
Longest time.
Yeah, I'm not sick.
Where have you been?
I traveled. Yeah, but I just came back yesterday.
Hey, I know where she's coming from.
You're asking me. You ask question you already know the answer to.
Hey, Okunoka. Good job, my dear. So, how is business now?
Fine. Yeah.
I really missed you.
Yeah, I miss you too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, why now? I know that is my son. Hey, Ini Edo, you really have luck. Hey.
And hate, only God knows and understands the heart of man.
Hey, Namo, Papa, what were you doing inside? You have entered the house.
Mama, we have already checked and you're not there.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
No.
Yes,
No.
Yes,
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Mama, I just wanted to spring you a surprise.
Chai.
Mama?
Eh?
What is this?
Oh, okay.
You roll yourself on the sand?
No. Sand. No. Oh, okay. Maybe it was the firewood I bought that I brought home.
before I left again.
Firewood. Firewood. Mama, you and this your firewood always.
We have a visitor.
Yes, ma.
Okay. No.
Thank you, ma.
Ma, let's go in.
But only for the just say it.
Mama. This is Angela, ma.
Okay.
It's a girl I've chosen to marry.
Oh, Papa.
Mama.
Now my son is ready to give me a grandchild. No.
And Mama,
yes,
she's from this our village. She's from this village.
Yes. My dear,
yes,
who is your father?
My father is Iche, Nathan Ejofo.
Mama, are you alright? Mama? What? But Mama, I've already proposed to Angela. Why don't you like her?
Because I don't like her. I carried you in this my womb for 9 months. I gave birth to you. If Allah give me too, I don't like her.
Mama, this is emotional blackmail. What has carried me home for 9 months got to do with my marriage to Angela?
Ajuju, question. Ask me number 2.
Mama, there is something to know about Angela. She
is one person you will never marry. I am your mother. If you like, go against my orders.
Mama, check why you jail. I must marry Angela. I will marry her. Carry me in your womb.
What have you come to do in my house?
Mama Odogun, our differences shouldn't come between our children. Please, I want you to bless your son's marriage.
Mo? Hey! Oh. Now you want me to bless their union after what you did to me? I will not give you and your daughter that satisfaction. And trust me, your daughter will hold you responsible for it.
I will not bend down and beg you. If you want, take your son and I take my daughter. But I promise you one thing, we'll be stronger and better. And my daughter will find a man who will marry her.
Gabano. Gaba.
Have you recovered from the beating I gave you last time?
Because Seba, po. Look at her. No pride though. Go to pride. After come, everything all come. You want me to bless their union? No. I will not. I will never. You have made your bed with your daughter. Both of you should go and lie like that.
Mama, please, I beg you on behalf of my mother, in whichever way she has wronged you, please, forgive her and bless our marriage.
I don't have a problem with you. Who I have issues with is your mother. She is very proud. Mother must come here.
Mama, must she come?
Must she come? Eh? That's why you people have issues.
Her daughter is here. She has already represented her mother here.
As a non-child representative, Mother must come and kneel down before me. That is why you enter trouble all the time.
Mama, we're going to be Mbala. No, we're going to be Mbala. I want to marry her.
I'm not against your marriage. Mana, if Mother does not come and kneel before me, there is no marriage. I'm not holding your marriage. It's your mother that is holding it. Kedu?
Hi, can see I'm fine.
This one you're smiling like this. Ebekis.
It's your first compound, of course.
Madam Ungo?
No, huh? Mpan to fear. Huh? Angela, it's your first daughter just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. Hey, thank God. Thank God.
Hey, thank God though. Thank God though for the baby.
Yes.
But is she married now?
Married? For real? No. In fact, nobody will say anything. You know all these Lagos girls with their unwanted pregnancies.
Okay, Fo. Yeah, you mean bouquet?
I know.
I'll be on my way now. I'm going home.
Okay.
I'm coming from church.
Okay. See you later.
Hey,
let me go and buy something here.
Okay.
Hey!
Thank God though. Who I forgot that Mama Ejiofor planned everything out. Something tells me that that baby is my son's son. Now my grandchild. Hey! Let me not see that baby anywhere close to my family. If not, I'm mad.
Is my brother.
How can you continue to be a grudge for a long time like this, Mama?
I'm afraid, madam, you're under arrest. Take her.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest, many things live in it, the good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper, you cannot define.
What a disgrace! Hi. Oh.
In the journey of life, life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad,
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. You really tried your best.
Here. All thanks should be directed to God. Thank God it has finally ended.
Yes, I know. But that was my most horrid experience. I mean, how would someone accuse me of taking another person's life?
understand how you feel. The most important thing now is you're free. You've been vindicated. The truth of the matter is you were in the wrong place at the wrong time. How on earth could I have imagined that your grandmother could hurt a fly?
Well, I'm not a better judge. I just hope she comes out of this.